Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
The question that we are going to discuss today is about the Trigonometry chapter in paper 3. Have a look at this question. May-June 2010, variance 32, question number 3. It is given that the cos A equals to 3 over 5, where the A is in between 0 to 90 degree. Showing your working and without using a calculator to evaluate A. Have a look at the part 1 here. Find the exact value of sine A minus 30 degree. So actually for part 1, it's quite easy to solve. You just need to apply the compound angle formula. So sine A minus 30 degree is equals to sine A cos 30 minus cos A and sine 30 degree. Okay, so for now the problem is how to find out the sine A. You are provided with the cos A equals to 3 over 5. Can we use the calculator to find out the angle A? The answer is no, because have a look at the question here. Show your working without using a calculator to evaluate the angle A. You are not supposed to find out the angle A. Then, how to find out the sine A? We can actually find out the sine A by using the right angle triangles ratio. So let's build a right angle triangle here. And let's say I name this angle as the angle A. So according to the question here, cos A is equal to 3 over 5. So which is the adjacent 3 over the hypotenuse 5. So what's the length of the opposite side here? It should be a 4. Alright, so according to this right angle triangle, now we can conclude that the sine A is actually equal to 4 over 5. Let's fill up the 4 over 5 here. And for the cos 30, you can actually get the answer by using your calculator, which is a square root 3 over 2. And then minus cos A is 3 over 5. Sine 30, according to the calculator, it's half. Then after that, you can just key in everything into your calculator to get the final answer, which is negative 3 plus 4 root 3 over 10. And remember to leave your answer in the exact form as requested by the question here. Now let's proceed to the part 2. For the part 2, they want you to find the exact value of tangent 2A and hence find the exact value of tangent 3A. Let's solve for the tangent 2A first. To solve for tangent 2A, you can just apply the tangent double angles formula, which is equals to 2 tangent A over 1 minus tangent square A. So what's the value of tangent A? You can actually get it from the same right angle triangle. So for the tangent A, it should be equals to opposite over adjacent, which is 4 over 3 over 1 minus tangent square A, which is 4 over 3 square. So the final answer, you can just get it from your calculator, which is equals to negative 24 over 7. As for the last part of the question, you are asked to find out the exact value of tangent 3A. So how to find out tangent 3A? tangent 3a, you are supposed to use the compound angle to find out. So split the tangent 3a into tangent a plus 2a. Then according to the compound angles formula, it's equals to tangent a plus tangent 2a over 1 minus tangent a times tangent 2a. Then we can just fill up all the fractions. Tangent a is actually equals to 4 over 3. Tangent 2a is by using the answer here, the answer that we found out earlier, which is negative 24 over 7. And for the bottom part, it's just 1 minus 4 over 3 times negative 24 over 7. And then you can just solve it by using the calculator. And the final answer will be just negative 44 over 117. Okay, this is how we make use of the compound angle formula and the double angle formula for this question.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.